Let's go to the first module. Module 1, there is an introduction chapter. So about MikroTik, what is MikroTik OS as well as what is router board. I did create a presentation, so let's start. What is MikroTik? MikroTik is the company name, right? They makes networking device. It's an organization, right? Okay. What is MikroTik router? MikroTik router is a device. We use router to communicate between two or more network, right? So MikroTik router is a device to connect at least to network, right? Every router actually we use for connecting between two networks or more networks. What is MikroTik router OS? MikroTik router OS is operating system. This operating system used to operate the MikroTik router. So if we go to our course content, what is about MikroTik? So already we know it's an organization. What is router OS? Router OS, this is the operating system. Which operating system used for operate MikroTik router? Another question is what is router board? You know, router board, MikroTik router board. It's a device. Those devices we call like router board. These routers we configure and we will give you hands-on experience in this module. And then the first time accessing the router, Winbox and Mac Winbox. Winbox is a like that PuTTY software. So MikroTik make this software for login MikroTik router. This is the Winbox, and we can easily connect our MikroTik router using Winbox, and we can connect our MikroTik router using IP as well as Mac. If we just click here Mac, then just click connect. Now we are connected in our MikroTik router. So we will give you details about it and we will follow all of the course content step by step. We already know Winbox is an application just used for login MikroTik router. Then Mac Winbox, we can connect MikroTik router using Mac, right? As well as we can connect MikroTik router using IP. We will check it. And OFIG and QuickSet, right? OFIG and QuickSet. OFIG, that means we can configure MikroTik router in our browser as well as like that. Here when we are going to the MikroTik router, then we can see this is the IP address, right? 192.168.1. So just 192.168.88.1, just press enter. Then you can just log in our OFIG, right? We can configure the MikroTik router using OFIG as well as. And there is a QuickSet. QuickSet, this means quick. All configuration will be available. You can just configure uplink, then your router will be work, right? So that just you can assign a PPO username password or static IP or DHCP client. Just you can just set your uplink information, then your router will work. But we are just learning here, so that we are not going to learn how to quickly set. We will know actually in details how to configure a router. And default configuration, you know, our default configuration, we just plug in our new router. So default configuration, default IP is 192.168.88.1 and username admin. So this is the very common question. What is the default IP of MikroTik router? The answer is 192.168.88.1. And what is the another question is what is the default username? Default username is admin, right? And what is the default password? No password. Thank you for watching.